Hi everyone, welcome back. Want to hide a folder on your Windows 11 PC so no one else can see it? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to hide and unhide folders step by step. Let's get started. First, open up the File Explorer on your computer. Then head over to the location of the folder you want to keep hidden. Next up, give that folder a right-click and then select Properties. After that, take the box that says Hidden, followed by clicking Apply, and then OK. Just like that, your folder disappears from view. But wait, want to bring it back into sight? Simply click on View up there on the top bar, then hover your mouse over Show and click on Hidden Items. That's it, your hidden folder should pop up right back now. If you want to unhide it just right, fully click on the folder again, select Properties from the menu. Next, uncheck the box labeled Hidden and hit Apply, and then OK. And just like that, your folder is back, where everyone can see it, and that's all there is to it. Now you know how to hide and unhide folders in Windows 11 in just a few clicks. If this video was helpful, please like, comment and subscribe for more simple Windows tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.